Well, hello everybody. I'm hopefully back. I'm feeling so much better now. Yeah, that was, well, 6 weeks, I suppose, till I felt like doing much. So I am back. I'm going to be doing a steampunk Christmas. I quite fancy doing that. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do sort of like a type of folio, but with a journal inside. I'm not sure yet, but I'll show you the kit. So there's 21 pages, something like that. So I've done the actual pages 8.25, yeah, 8.25 by 11. All right, so there's 6 of those pages. Now I uncheck the box that says fit to page. Okay, and then they will print the correct size. All right, because I find when I print A4 and cut it out, I'm always cutting a bit off because I don't quite like them so wide as that. So that's that one. So there's 6 of these sort of pages. I love that one. This one coming up. My favourite. I might do something with him on the front of the cover. I think that might look quite nice. So quite whimsical, you know. Went down that line really. And some backgrounds. That's quite a muted one, but that always come in handy. And that one's like with cogs and holly and stuff. That's one lined, which can be printed on the back. And then a couple of sort of backgrounds. These are full scat. They will print full page. So I've done one like that. Then I've done sort of like smaller one but faded. Yeah. And 2 envelopes. There we go. Yeah, some pockets. Okay, got the tall ones and short ones there. Page there. Journaling cards. There. I think there's some postcards as well. Tags. Jumbo tags that I like doing, where I shrink these down as well, 2 to a page. Here's the postcards there. And then some tickets and page tabs. Oh, and another set of journaling cards. Okay, and I'll show you what I've done. A couple of the pages I've shrunk down like so. Yeah. And these were, so that was 2 to a page, and then these were 2 to a page. Okay, just so that I can get them a little bit smaller for little things. That's those. And some tickets and that on there in case I want to do something small. And then there's the other pages that I've shrunk down as well. Okay, yeah, so that's the kit. So yeah, I'm gonna start making a journal, thinking about it. I think I might sort out my size first, and then I can cut the pages accordingly. Okay, so I will keep this video just for the actual kit. Okay, and then we will begin after this one, so it'll be a new video. Okay, thank you everybody, and thank you for all, you know, everybody that contacted me wondering where I was and things. Yeah, everything all right now, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.